dollar index. Now we are based on 1 hour chart. If we refer back to my last video when the price was exactly here, we say if you want to look for buy, one of the option was to have entry above this. Okay, and as we can see, even I highlighted that if we take any buy from here, as long as the price reach to this level or this level, we need to protect our trade. See, as we can see, the price, even we get entry, price came to this level, it was correcting. That means the trader shouldn't be in this trade anymore. They should take out the trade, because I mentioned the price came to this level, they should move their stop loss to break even. And even when they see this correction, then that means they should take out the trade. Alright, for another option, we did the only times, for the second option was the only times if they get the flag. Actually, based on the 1 hour chart, there was no flag. I mean, usually we say one of the option is when we say we have a sharp move and flag. Okay, if anyone wants to trade based on the flag, they didn't want to trade with the having entry above the top, then they should trade based on the lower time frame. The only one was this one. Okay, anyway, it depends on the trader whether they trade based on the any strategy they use. They shouldn't be trade anymore. Okay, now is the next, we need to know what's the next, how we can trade. Okay, in this case we move to 4 hour chart. Okay, now as we can see again, we are in the correction. There is different way to read this correction, but we try to see if we look at it as a channel. All right, that's mean if we draw our trend line here. Okay, now the question is whether the price can drop or can continue go higher. If we're looking for buy for the long term, the only times we can look for buy if the price came to this level. That's mean if the price come to this level, break this high, give a correction, then we can look for buy for the continuation. We can expect this correction is our finish, but within this range there is a possibility for the reversal. Okay, that means if we want to buy for long term, what we prefer, the price come to this level, break the top, give a correction, then we look for buy. All right, in this case, if we move to for 1 hour chart, just now we say how we can look for buy for the long term. If you wanna for the long term, we consider the correction is finished and we are the uptrend start. But now, as we can see, we don't have any trade set up. Also, there is a possibility we get a correction here, the price move up, but no, it depends on the traders whether they want to buy this or not, they trade this or not. Okay, for me, I don't really look for this trade, and even right now we don't have any trade setup. We need to get the correction confirmation before we trade. Even for sell, we don't have anything yet, because we can expect the price whether from here or go higher then reverse. Okay, as I said, right now there is no trade setup. We should wait and get the correction, then from there we make a decision. Why I was highlighting the price come to this level, break the top, then we get the buy, because even we get the deeper correction here, still there is a possibility we can look for buy. Okay, but see what we have here. How about if we get a correction here, then the price drop? Okay, because I don't think there is any proper sell setup here. The correction is most of the traders, when they see this type of the correction, they try to look for buy rather than the sell, unless they go based on the lower time frame, they read the chart properly. That's why right now we don't trade it here, we just wait to see if the price correct, we get the correction, then we look for buy or sell. All right, how about if the price continue go up without giving a setup, we don't look for it. The only times if the price drop, give a flag, then yes, I can look for sell. All right, anyway, we just wait and we see what we get here, then from there we can trade. Right now we don't have any trade setup. Thanks.